Mini CRM is an app that provides a central place for businesses to store customer and prospect data, track customer interactions, and share important information between colleagues. It gives businesses a 360-degree view of their customer, enabling them to build better relationships by engaging in more personal and relevant ways. Mini CRM ensures that every step of the interaction with consumers goes smoothly and efficiently in order to increase the overall profits. The software gathers customer data from multiple channels. This application ensures that every step of the interaction with consumers goes smoothly and efficiently in order to increase the overall profits. This section will display any information set in the customer record. You can add new customer by pressing on the Create button on the Company Details section. The customer record is a regular Jira entity, which means you can add any custom field you want to this record to hold any type of information you want. The Customer Info section will show any field with value for the selected customer. There are ready-made fields for general info and display permission aspects. This section will present any information about the contacts you have with this customer. You can add new contact or edit existing contact. The customer record is a regular Jira entity, which means you can add any custom field you want to this record to hold any type of information you want. There are ready-made fields to control whether to display this contact information to users on related tickets or not. This section will present you the different engagements you set with the customer, so you can see the relationship build up with the customer. A sales activity is anything that moves your deals toward closing. It can be a phone call or a meeting. Log your engagements in the system so you can see how to manage the customer relationship. You can set a contract with a customer and track the work spent for this contract, creating either a fixed project contract or time-based contract. You can connect a full project to the contract. This means that all the work done in that project is allocated to this contract. This contract will accumulate all the work logged in this project. You can connect an epic to the contract. This means that all the work done in that epic is allocated to this contract. You can connect more than one epic to this contract if you want. The contract information will include predefined fields, but will allow you to add any custom field to the Jira entity for the contract. You can view the contract-related Jira records by pressing the three dots button and selecting View Issues option. This will open up a predefined filter with the related Jira issues for this contract. If you want to have the contract information private to specific person or role, this can be done by changing the entity permission of the contract in Jira Scheme to allow only specific user or a role to be able to view these type of information. Any other user will be allowed to view all the other type of customer information, customer details, contacts, engagements, but will not be able to see the contracts. Customer details on Jira records, you can set per customer which information to display on a Jira ticket which is related to an existing contract. The add-on will present customer information on tickets which are related to customer contract. Any ticket opened on a related epic or project depends on the relations set in the contract, will have the customer information displayed on the ticket. You can control what type of information do display on the display fields, both on the customer information and on the contacts information.